Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
Did you have a good weekend? Did, have, and can questions plus a quiz. So be sure to stick around for that quiz. Okay, let's do it. Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Yes, we had a birthday party. Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Yes, I went to the beach. Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? No, I had to work. Have you been to the library? Have you been to the library? Yes, I was reading. Have you been to the barber? Have you been to the barber? Yes, I got a trim. Have you been to the market? Have you been to the market? Yes, I picked up a few things. Can you throw a frisbee? Can you throw a frisbee? Yes, watch. Can you play baseball? Can you play baseball? Yes, watch. Can you hold still? Can you hold still? Yes, I think so. Quiz. Did he have a good weekend? Yes, he had a birthday party. Did she have a good weekend? Yes, she went to the beach. Did he have a good weekend? No, he had to work. Has he been to the library? Yes, he was reading. Has he been to the barber? Yes, he got a trim. Has she been to the market? Yes, she picked up a few things. Can she throw a frisbee? Yes, she can. Can he play baseball? Yes, he can. Can he hold still? He thinks so. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.